All right, if I got an interior solution for your car, if you've got an older car like mine, it's a 2010, but from 2010 to 2015, on Amazon, EcoTrick has car seat covers that actually fit well. They have gray and black. You've got to check this out. For $159, it is not a bad deal. So they have gray or black. I picked black because I'm so sick and tired of the gray. But to cover up that nasty old interior, I have 200,000 miles on my Prius. And I tell you what, this looks pretty sharp. All right, check this out, folks. It fits pretty good and it looks pretty sharp compared to any other seat covers, even the armrest too. That's fantastic. I tell you what, this thing looks great, but make sure you wear gloves. I literally chipped, broke, and almost ripped out my fingernails shoving this thing on there. These things are on there tight. They fit very well. And I would wear gloves when you're doing this. I wish I had put a pair on, but I was so excited to put this on. I literally just tore myself up doing it. But it has nice back sides. It's not like the cloth on the back. It's got the pleather. It's like a synthetic leather on the back here, and you got a little pouch just like it has underneath there, the original seats, and it fits very nicely. They have like straps. They have a couple of bungee straps, and then they have the type that slip through and come back and they tighten up. You'll see what I'm talking about when you buy it. It fits good, fits well. You will have to take this seat out, but the instructions come with it. The instructions are pretty clear, and you have to just put it together. The headrest I started off with, and then I worked towards the seats. And I tell you what, just follow the instructions, you'll be there. And it looks beautiful. I tell you what, this thing looks sharp. So if you can, and you want to doll up your 2010 to 2015 Prius, this is the way to go. Check it out on Amazon, EcoTrick. I'll leave a link below the description. Have a blessed day.